Oh, it's breaking. We have a problem because my cake is breaking, and that's not good. Okay, you guys, first column done. Hi guys, I'm actually here editing, just coming on to give you guys a quick intro. The usual way, so good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And today's vlog, all you'll be seeing is the behind the scenes leading up to Sarah's party, everything that went down. I know you guys like to see how I did her cake and how I did the balloon columns and how I decorated and all of that. I had captured it, but I decided to show it after her birthday vlog. So this is just backing up a few days leading up to her birthday party. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the Bam Bam, and go ahead and enjoy everything that you're about to see. And while I'm ending the vlog, baby's beside me, so sneak peek. And you guys won't see Sarah today. You'll glimpse her throughout the vlog, but you won't really see her, and they're all sleeping now. So anyway, we'll see the rest. You guys will see everybody tomorrow, so don't worry about it. Anyways, gonna enjoy the rest of today's vlog. When you don't want your kid to be bored, you gotta make use of the outdoors. No, you gonna take it up by yourself? You can't reach it?
Yes.
Let me put them a little bit closer. Like that's better? Alright, some in this one too, okay? You're having fun? Yes.
I want to go in.
You're on green?
Yes. Like that I can make my tree.
Okay. This green finish. What you writing?
I need to take a duba pee.
You were right. Happy birthday.
Yes.
You're too cute. He's more excited for his sister's birthday than she is. Now you can draw her, paint her a butterfly on a different paper. You always wanted to do her a butterfly. You guys, I'm coming to y'all looking a hot mess, but that's okay. I'm in the process of about to decorate Sarah's cake. Yes, honey child. So I didn't buy any cake box as yet and any board for the cake because I wanted to go back to the shop, but I haven't reached as yet. I'm going back later because I think the icing that I have won't be enough to get the cake exactly how I want it. So I'm starting off with what I have. And I remember when I used to go to catering school and when I was doing cake baking and decorating, I remember this is how we used to make our own cake board instead of buying it. Voila, cake board done. So all I did was get a piece of cardboard and make sure it's a firm piece and wrap it with foil paper, because to be truthful, that's the same thing that you're gonna buy at the shop. That's the same thing you're going to buy at the shop. So why not just make it yourself? So I did just that. I'm just taping it right now. Tyler, put it back, please. I'm just taping it to make sure that the foil is firm on it. Alright. All done. Firm and ready. Now if you guys are new to the channel and you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, this is my girl's cake that I bake in a #1 cake tin. Now I'm going to take it out of the cake tin and onto the board. So let go. So the icings feel a little bit stiff, so I'm going to add some water to it to make it a little bit more soft.
Okay. Too much. That's too much, Mama. And guess what? It's almost our birthday.
You're too funny.
Just try this on our birthday.
And today's what? And taste it. Put your finger on it.
This is just like cream. Ooh, wow. Now you're stuck the water inside. The water can be soft and stuck. Maybe it's not coming.
Come on. Well, we have to try and get this out.
Where's what out?
Okay, it's not coming out. So Mama gonna have to create a magic.
What's the magic potion?
See, I didn't use any grease paper,
What's grease paper?
so it could come out easier.
Grease paper, is that beside?
And I don't have anything that I can push directly under it to get it out without causing a problem. But
The only solution that I know to get it out
okay, it's coming.
is
Look.
to. Oh, but I had a better idea.
What's the idea?
The idea is to put something behind it and knock it.
We can't knock it. Knocking it is not a good solution at all.
Wow! Le roi du monde! Daddy? It's getting out!
The middle is stuck.
The middle is stuck. Why? Oh, it's got.
Oh, it's breaking. We have a problem because my cake is breaking, and that's not good.
Just can try to put that
guys, I finally got it out with a little mishap. Let me show you. Lesson learned, use grease paper, but the icing can fix it. So we're gonna let our magic get the job done right now. Let's go.
You're going to put the icing now?
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to put the icing...
This is where my school skills have to come into play. So at the moment, okay, so the two small pots that I have give me a rough, messy coverage right now, so I have to run back to the cake store to get two more pots to complete this design properly. So that's where we are. Make sure you're keeping up, and then we're gonna kill this bad boy. You guys, we made a quick supermarket run, fruits and vegetable supermarket that is, because I went to pick up the things for Sarah cake. So we're gonna do a quick supermarket haul. Apart from the little things that I pick up, I won't show you guys that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we got at the supermarket. Alright, here we go. What's this?
Potato.
Kiwi. Crazy head. What is this?
Yellow curve.
Yellow what?
Curve.
Yellow curve.
Yes, yellow feet.
I'm over it with these kitties. Banana. Cereal.
No.
I'm gonna tell them what they are because you're not telling. Ooh, what is this? What is this?
Orange line.
Carrot. He finds pleasure in saying the wrong things. What is this?
Green and red circle.
Melon. You're too much. Ooh, you don't know what this is.
Tree.
It's tree.
Yes.
This is rosemary. I love to cook with rosemary.
Oh,
Discovered that lately.
Mary.
That it makes give food really nice flavor. I mean chicken especially.
Oh, that is banana.
Corn. I'm over it with vanilla. Some little things I pick up for Sarah.
Biggest circle line orange.
Carrot, let me go because you have no sense.
Round green.
Apples.
Tree.
Celery.
Ooh, green line.
Zucchini. Let me go. Hey, let me go so I can do the things on the back. I'm gonna start counting.
This is yellow circle.
Lemon. Why do I bother showing? Find pleasure. What is this?
This is orange. No,
Sweet
it's
potato.
pink. It's pink lime. Ooh, this is a brown food.
Ginger.
Oh, this is tree.
Broccoli. Okay, 2 other items remain. What is this one?
Green light.
Use it, slap your cucumber. What is this one?
Green ball.
Avocado. You guys, that's all the things we got at the supermarket. And big bag of Irish potato is the other thing. But yeah, those are all the goodies we got. Sorry, let me pack these back.
Now let's decorate our thing.
Yes. Okay, you guys, that's where I'm at right now. Finished covering with the icing at the moment. So now I am going to continue with the design. Yes, Ty?
I want to say Disney.
Yeah, because her theme is
Disney.
Minnie. So we have an edible disc that I bought at the store just now. It smells so good that I'm gonna place right here.
Oh.
So I need to take off
The CD part?
the plastic off of the disc.
Is that disc?
Yes, that's what it's called. So we have to be very gentle. Alright.
Because it can break. And here.
And we don't want that.
Yeah.
Right? Voila!
Yeah.
The disc is off. Ready?
Yes.
We're gonna
1,
put it on.
2, 3.
Oh!
1, 2, 3. Okay. Minnie will come. Minnie will come.
Alright, our mini is on. And now we have our flowers.
We can
Don't touch! Don't touch!
we can eat it.
If you can eat mini,
Yes.
bien sûr. We have our flowers, but we need a little extra icing to drop the flowers right here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Since it went there, so we can stick our flowers in.
So pretty.
Should I put one here and one here, or one here and one here?
Put one here.
No, her name going here. So I think I'll put both right here. Just like that. How does that look? Looks good? Alright, now
It looks like the eyes.
looks like the eyes.
Yes.
We have the writing tip right here. Alright, you guys, there goes the cake. I have to rush and put it in the fridge right now, but it's all done and ready for the party, honey. I am here trying to party prep at the moment, and I am trying to create columns. I'm trying to create 2 columns, so let's see if I'll accomplish that. So the color that I'll be using is pink and gold, and I'm watching a tutorial on YouTube to create it because I'm doing this for the first time. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. And over here I blow up all those balloons in her playpen. So what I did was I tied them in twos, and now I'm interlocking them so I can get about 6 or 7 fours. So Let's see how that goes.
Here's sweating so.
Hire me to make flying columns and
You can organize the party.
okay. Yay! It looks nice, doesn't it? Yes!
Yeah.
Oh my god, is that cute? This is going on top of
Wow. At the top.
it. At the top.
So me am thinking of this house.
Hold on, let me pay attention here.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, you guys, first column done, and I'm so proud. It looks so beautiful. Now I'm on to the next.